This video is about setting up a meeting event with your lead. Go to CRM and select the lead with whom you want to set up a meeting. Toggle over to the Events page. Click on Choose Action and select Create Meeting to set up the meeting. You can toggle between online and offline meetings. To set up an online meeting, select the title. Schedule your meeting for the required date and select the start time and end time. If needed, you can specify a location. Your lead will receive a notification based on the notification time you set. You can also add extra participants if required and enter the agenda for the meeting. To create an offline meeting, click on Choose Action, select Create Meeting, and then choose Offline Meeting. Enter the meeting title, add the location if necessary, include an agenda, and click Create Meeting to finalize the offline meeting setup. You can toggle between online and offline meetings from the main menu of the Events section. If you want to send your availability, which you've updated under Preferences, click on Send Availability. The subject and content will be loaded, and your lead can click on the View Availability button to see your organization's available times to set up the meeting. To learn how to set up availability, please refer to the Preferences video. Click on Send Email to send the email to your lead. By clicking on the three dots, you can start the meeting, edit the meeting, view the invitation, or delete the meeting. That's all for this video on how to set up a meeting with your lead. Thank you for watching.